Namatay yung tatay ko bago ako gumraduate ng elementary. That was my biggest regret in life. Ni hindi ko siya nakausap, ni hindi ko nasabi sa kanya kung gaano ko siya kamahal. Huling bisita ko sa kanya, umalis ako nang wala akong sinabi. The biggest sadness that is happening in life right now is regret. Yung regret na hindi mo nagawa. Regret na nawalan ka ng opportunity, nawalan ka ng pagkakataon to actually do what you really want to do. Or just to say what you really want to say. Or to feel what you want to feel at that moment. Namatay yung tatay ko bago ako gumraduate ng elementary. Ni hindi ko siya nakausap, ni hindi ko nasabi sa kanya kung gaano ko siya kamahal. Yes, because I was fearful. I was doubting myself. I was shy. Huling bisita ko sa kanya, umalis ako nang wala akong sinabi. I was 12 years old that time. Alam mo yung kahit bata ka, may gusto kang iparamdam sa kanya. But because of fear, I missed that opportunity. Because the next day, he lied. Wala na. Tapos na. So kahit gaano kadaming beses ko sabihin sa kanya how I loved him, how I'm grateful for him, wala na. That is the biggest heartbreak. Regret.
Come and fly away with me.